Alright guys, this is without the microphone attached. Can you guys hear me? I'm assuming I'm getting no response, that you can't hear me. I don't know if you can see this, but the scope won't even load for me. Okay. Is there anybody in there that can hear me? No video either. Interesting. So Jace, if you went out and came back in, you should now be able to hear me with the phone. Yes or no? I'm going to assume no, since I'm not getting an answer. I see and hear you. Oh, you're on the phone. Okay, Cozart. Now if I switch over to the GoPro, I'm going to start talking, and I have an external mic attached using the proper attachments. So tell me, now I went to 0 again. So is there no one in, no live viewers?